Hello, I'm Anna Pollard, instructor at MyFunScience. Ink is a liquid. It flows evenly from a pen point, but is also commonly applied with a brush. And you can mix the entire value range of grays by diluting ink with water. Add a single drop of ink to a puddle of clear water for a light tint. Add more for the darker shades. So perfecting a wash technique requires lots of practice. You must be familiar with your brush, ink, paper, and the amount of wash in the brush. Plus the speed and pressure of the brush stroke. All of these things may seem pretty scary, but once you have them under control, you can have a lot of um, fun using the technique and versatility when you're creating your art with ink. There are many ways that ink can be used to create tones of gray. Stippled dots and hatching are two of the many groupings useful for creating midtones. Anytime small marks are clustered together, they will suggest a tone, but there is an incredible variety in the choice of marks available for you to try. One way to suggest tone or shading is through pattern. There are many strokes that can be combined to create a contextual tone. Stippling is an art technique that involves using many small dots to create an image or pattern. The quantity, size, and closeness of the dots determine the darkness and density of the tone. Hatching and cross-hatching are artistic techniques used to create shading and tonal effects in drawing. Hatching is drawing parallel lines in one direction, and cross-hatching is drawing lines that cross over a first set of lines at an angle to create a cross. At MyFunScience, we offer two art courses. Art 1 is a mixed media class where students draw along with the instructor to create their images with direct step-by-step instruction. And they will learn to identify 5 basic elements of shape that they will use together to create realistic drawings piece by piece. Many of the lessons highlight a particular artist or a cultural artistic style. We will also explore wildlife, nature, still life, architectural structures, and proportions while learning various mixed media. Each lesson is different from semester to semester. So if you really love art, you can stay in this art class for years or even advance to the Art 2, which is an advanced art class. This class is for the more confident and independent drawer, where students want to learn more advanced techniques with their sketching, their shading, their blending, cross-hatching. Students will create stunning pieces that convey depth, contrast, and texture. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about using ink in your art, and I hope to see you soon in art class. Have a great day. Bye-bye.